analytics. Guide analytics is a concept of avoiding adding all of the detail into a couple of worksheets, or in one worksheet or in a few worksheets, but really to take the end user by the hands and to drive, to guide them to insights, to make sure that they start from a very low granular view, so very aggregated. For example, a map where you see, or for example, a cohort or segments of your data. You start from there and you drill deeper and deeper down, and in the end you go and you end with the details. But in this case, what you see here is and this is still quite an easy example. What we could do here is, instead of migrating the view that we have here, we could guide the user from country until the actual order date, or maybe take it even further and show all of the order IDs or the document numbers or transaction numbers. Because this view, and not only this view, is if you have a very large table, it fires a detailed query, but also the rendering, so the actual showing all of the data marks takes up time as well. So instead of having all of this in one worksheet, we could also guide the user to follow a specific flow to go into the detailed data, and I've created this simple example to show you how that could, what that could look like in Tableau Desktop and with the Superstore data. So this is a very easy example, but I'm sure you could use this within other use cases. So let's say you have an end user who is interested in the sales in the United States, but specifically in the state of California. And we know, based on the input from different end users, that the flow, state, ship modes, then month, year, and details is a pragmatic approach to get to the end result. We want to see, okay, ship mode same day, how much was sold, or what were the transactions in a series of time. So from January 2019 until December 2019, I want to see, okay, what's this spike here in November? And then we can see all of the customer names with the order IDs for the state California, with ship mode on the same day in November. And in the end, I mean, we could add some more context here with the tooltips and saying, okay, you have selected California same day and the month of November 2019. We could add this here for some more context, and then they could, even if they're really keen on that, they could export this cross step and see, or do some further analysis in Excel, or whatever they prefer to do. But this is taking the end user or the consumer by the hand, instead of having this plain table or plain bar chart with a lot of information that doesn't show well, or isn't a nice visualization. And in the end, this is, if you select another mark or select outside of the USA map, you start from the map again. So that is very shortly guided analytics. I strongly advise you also to read analytics Tableau, to read the blog on Tableau and how you could improve guide analytics to try to drive insights for your end users.